Good afternoon, children. Let us start our session with a thought. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. That is, you should not read mathematics. You have to practice the sums in mathematics. So, children, start practicing.
Children, let us solve the sums on brain teaser. If you are able to do the sums on brain teaser by your own, then it shows that you have practiced a lot in this topic. So now let us solve which of the following is not a factor of 48. That means you have to check 48 is not divisible by this given number. So which is the number not divisible by 48? So here 48 by 6, if you divide, you get 6 8s are 48. So it is divisible. Next 7. In 7 table we don't get 48. We get only 49. So which is not the factor of 48? That is 7. Which of the following is a prime number? So you know what is a prime number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So here 91. You can check. 91 is not divisible by 2 because 1 is there. So 1 means it is only divisible by 3, 7 and number itself. Okay, 3 you check 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 is the remainder. Next it is not divisible by 3. 7. 7 if you check, take the first digit. 7 1s are 7. 2 is the remainder 21. 21 is also divisible by 7. So it is divisible by 1, 7 and 91. So more than 2 factors, then it is not a prime number. Next 57. So 57, 7 is there. So it is also divisible by 3. 7 you can check it, or 9. So here first number is 5. So I'll divide the first number. 3 1s are 3. 2 is the remainder 27. So 27 is also divisible by 3. So it is also not a prime number. Next 97. 3 3s are no. 9, 7 will be the remainder. Next 9 1s are no. 7 is also not divisible. So next one you can check for your 81. So 9 9s are 81. So here also divisible by 1, 9, 81. So more than 2 factors, it is not a prime number. So which is the prime number here? Only 1 and itself is 97. Next, the LCM of 10, 20, 25 is. So you can find out the LCM for this. Directly you can find, or you can find by division method also. So now I am going to do by common division method because there are 3 numbers. So 10, 20, 25. So all are divisible by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Start with 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 5 will not come in 2 table, so keep it the same. Next 2, 1 is same number itself, 2 1s are 2, 5 itself because 5 doesn't come in 2 table. So 1 1 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100 is your LCM. Or children, you can find by multiples method also. Already we have done in the first topic. So write 10, 10 table, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. And 20, 20, 40, 80, 100. And 25, 25, 50, 75, 100. So which is common here? 100 is common. So what is the LCM here? Least common multiple is 100. You can find it in this method or in that method. No problem. Both the methods are correct. The prime factorization of 36. So you can see 4 3s are, but 4 is not a prime number. So this is not a prime factorization. Here you can check 2 into 2 into 9. 9 is not a prime number, children, because it has more than 2 factors. Because 9 comes in 1 table, 3 table and 9 table. So 9 is not a prime number. Next 12 3s are. 12 is not a prime number. Why? Because 12 comes in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, because it is more than having 2 factors, so it is a composite number. So here you can check. 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and all the factors are prime. So the prime factorization of 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Next, 48 has dash factors. So you have to write, so you can write 1, 48 divisible by 1 table, 2 table, 3 table if you can find. 3 ones are 3, 1 is the remainder 18. So 3 6 are 3 is divisible, 3 6 are 18. Next 4, 4 is also divisible, 5 is not divisible, 6 8s are 48, so 6 is also divisible, 7 no, 8, so 8 6 are 48, so 8. Next 9 no, 10 no, 11 no, 12, so 12 4s are 48. Next 3. Next is 16 3s are 48. Next 2. So 24 2s are 48, and the last number is 48 1s are. You can see these tables are repeated. So you get repeated tables. So here 48 has dash factors. So how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many factors are having? 48 has 8, 10 factors. Now write the first 4 multiples of. So you all know what is the multiples means. It's a multiplication table. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So write the first 4 multiples. Only they need 4 multiples. Okay children. 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Next 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. Next 1. So you all know 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52. Next, fill in the blanks. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. Then 42 is a multiple of dash numbers. So 42 is multiple of 2, 3 and 7. So you can write 42 is multiple of 2, 3 and 7. Next, fifth multiple of 9. Fifth multiple of 9 means 5 9s are or 9 5s are. So 9 5s are 45 or 5 9s are 45. Next, is 48 is multiple of 6. Yes, because is 48 a multiple of 6. 6 8s are 48. Is it children? So 48 is a multiple of 6. Yes. Least multiple of 65 is dash. Least multiple. Least means lowest multiple of 65. So which is the lowest multiple of 65 table? 65 table starts from 65 itself. So which is the lowest? 65 1s are 65. So 65 itself. 7 3s are 21. Then dash and dash are the factors of 21. So which are the factors of 21? 7 and 3 are the factors of 21. Is 8 a factor of 70? You can check whether 70 is divisible by 8. No children, because we don't get 70. We get only 72 in 8 table. Next, is 1 a prime number? You can remember children, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Is it right? So here also we get no. Next, find the factor of the following. You know how to find the factors by dividing the given number. So which leaves no remainder, then it is a factor of the given number. So here we start with first with 1. So 1 27s are 27. So remainder is 0. Then 1 is a factor of 27. Next, start with 2. We don't get 27 in 2 because it is an odd number. Next 3. 3 9s are 27. It is completely divisible. Why it is completely divisible? When we get the remainder 0. Next 3 9s are, next 9 3s are. 9 3s are 27. Remainder becomes 0. Next the number itself, because here we get the repeating, so 27 1s are 27. So here which are the factors, children? 1 3 9. Guess that 27 is not a prime number because we get more than 2 factors. So 27 is a composite number which is divisible by 1 table, 3 table, 9 table, 27 table. So therefore, what are the factors here? Therefore 1 9 3. So 1, first write the smallest, 3 9 and 27 are the factors of 27. Next 90. So start with 1. 190s are 90. It is completely divisible. Next start with 2. So it is a bigger number. So take first digit. 2 4s are 8. 1 is the remainder. Bring 0 down. 2 5s are 10. Next 3. You all know 3 3s are 9. So 3 30s are 90. Next 4. 4, if you divide 4, 4 2s are 8 and 10 becomes, 10 is not divisible by 4. So take next 5. 5 how many are 90? 5 1s are 5. 4, bring 0 down, 48. So here 15 18s are 5 18s are 40. So here becomes divisible by 5. Next 6. 6 is also divisible. We will check it. 6 1s are 6. 3 is the remainder. Bring 0. 6 5s are 30. So it is also completely divisible. One of the factors of 90. 7 no. 8 no. 9. How you are saying directly, madam? No, yes. Because I will calculate in the mind, children. You also have to make this habit. So you can think over and you can guess the number. 6 is not, 6 is divisible. 7 1s are 7. 2 is the remainder, but 20 will be not divisible by 7 table. So you, in this way you have to guess and do the division. 8 no. 9 no. Next 10. So 10 9s are 90. So here we got the repeated numbers. Where we got, you have to check it. So 10 9s are 80. 9 10s are, so 9 also will be possible. So here we get the repeated numbers. 9 10s are 90. So here the numbers are repeated. You can stop dividing and you can write the answers. How to write? I'll show you. Therefore, what are the factors? 1. Already we have discussed this in the last class. 2, 3, 5, 6. Here the numbers are repeated. So 9, 10. So after this 10, you have to consider the quotient. 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. You can see the 1 and itself. So here are the factors of 90. Next, the given number is 38. So start dividing. 38. Start with 1. 1 38s are 38. Remainder is 0. 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 is the remainder. Bring 8 down. So 9s are 18. Next 3. 3 is not possible. 4. 4 also not possible. 4 9s are 36 we will get. We don't get 38. 5 no. 6 no. 7. You have to bring the multiplication tables in your mind, children. So 6 not possible. 6 6 are 36. Okay, 7 no, 8 no, 9 no. So 9 5s are 45. So 9 4s are 36. 10 no, 11 no, 12 3s are 36. 13 14 15 16 no, 16 2s are 32. 17 2s are 34. 18 2s are 36. Yes. 19 2s are 38. Yes. Here you can see the numbers are repeated. 2 19s are 19 2s are. You can stop and write the factors, or you can one more, we will get it. So here 2 19s are 19 2s are. Then 1 38s are 38 1s are. So what are the factors here? Therefore 1 2 19 and 38 are the factors of 38. Now, is 217 divisible by 27? So it's a bigger number. So start dividing. So you don't remember 27 table. So write the 27 table by multiplying it. So you can check where is 217. Whether you get 217 in 27 table? No. So take immediate less than. So it is 27 8s are 216. So 1 is the remainder. If you get one or more than 0, then what it is understood that it is not divisible. So therefore 217 is not divisible by 27. If you get the remainder 0, then it is completely divisible, children. So I hope you have understood today's class and sums on brain teaser. Practice well, learn, keep on learning, keep going. Thank you, children.